Hey, what's up guys? Changing the cabin air filter on this is Toyota Highlander. So let me show you where it's located. This is a cabin air filter, and this filters the air that you breathe inside your vehicle. So right here on the glove box, open here, and it's gonna be behind there. To open here, there is this hook right here, so you're gonna press this down, and same thing with this side, press those side down for this to come down like see. So that one is passed through. Okay, once it see, it's open. So there is that hook and another one on that side, and they're both going right there and right there. So behind here, so we have the cabin air filter, so we need to get these out. Okay, that pop up like that, and you already see here saying up, so we need to get this cover out. There is a hook here, press it in, and you just need to do the same thing on this side, press it in, at the same time pop it out. There we go. There is a cover right there, and now here is the white thing is a filter. Let's take it out, and boom, there it is. Most of the time it's always filthy because this is one of the filter that people always forget to change. Like this one look like it's not been changed maybe in a couple of years. So that's a new one, and that's the old one. Compare the two. Ooh, the difference is huge. Again, remember the arrows, the side the arrows that is going, it's based on the, also showing on the cover. It's easy, just slide it down like there. Alright, then bring the cover. Okay, the arrow should be facing up like that. So we already put it on way. I need to be going like that. Come on, Jeff Carbuoy. Okay, there we go. Now that's the right way, so that when we pull in this, there's two knobs right here. There's one here and another knob right here. These knobs, they will go in this hole. There's one here and another one here. So you push it until you hear that clear little clip. Boom, it's already in there. And that's how you change the cabin air filter on Toyota Highlander. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to put back the glove box. It's just the same way. You push it, you line it up here, just like as you can see, and then push it all the way up, lock it, and that's it guys. Stay tuned.